sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the
हेलो नानू, हैप्पी बर्थडे। थैंक यू, आपने कितना कुछ करा है हम सब के लिए एंड यू आर सो स्पेशल। लव यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nana. I wish that God will give you a lot of blessings and we'll meet soon ahead. Thank you. Abhinav. Hello.
हेलो नाना, मम्मा की तरफ से मैसेज है दैट आई नो आई फाइट विद यू अ लॉट एंड दैट इज़ बिकॉज आप काम ही ऐसे करते हो. यू आर द वर्ल्ड टू अस. वी आर ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव यू एंड मम्मी एज आर पेरेंट्स एंड वी नो वी आर वॉट वी आर बिकॉज ऑफ यू बोथ. I keep telling myself that if we can be half as good and dedicated parents as you both, our kids will shine out bright as very good human beings. God bless you with all good health and happiness. मम्मा की तरफ से.
Namaste Mama ji.
Very good, Mama ji.
Happy birthday. Wishing you happy 80th birthday and wish you a good health and lots of happiness in the world. Love you.
Happy 80th birthday, Mama ji. God bless you.
Nana, I'll recite a song. Please listen it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75.
Happy birthday, Nana. May all your wishes come true. Have a happy 80th birthday. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you for all the gifts. I love you so much. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकल.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकल. 80th बर्थडे पे बहुत बहुत मुबारकें दी.
Wishing you lot of good health and happiness in
Congratulations, Monica. Congratulations, Sanjay, and all the Madhok family. It is so much of joy to be with you all.
We are so happy to be with you on this special day. Uncle, we cherish each and every moment spent in your company. May God bless you with lot of happiness.
God bless you, Uncle.
Namaste, Uncle. Wish you a very, very, very happy 80th. When you look back over 80 years, we really hope that your memories are warm ones. When you celebrate today, I hope that your heart is filled with love and joy. When you look to the future, we hope that all your dreams and wishes come true. So wish you once again a very happy 80th birthday. We hope your 80th birthday is filled with love and family and friends, unforgettable moments, never-ending joy, and happy, happy memories. Especially with this COVID and distancing, hope you celebrate it in the best possible way. I'm ready with the bhallas whenever you come. So we miss you, Uncle, and happy birthday once again. जब आप यहाँ आओगे तो हम पार्टी ज़रूर लेंगे. Happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy 80th birthday, Mama ji. Rooting for you to hit the century mark soon. Swasth rahiye, mast rahiye, and keep on blessing us always.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Mama ji. May God bless you with good health and happiness always.
Mama ji, wishing you a very, very, very happy 80th birthday. May all your dreams come true. May God give you a long life full of happiness and good health.
Kaka Mama ji, namaste. Very, very happy birthday to you. You are the hero of the family, silently supporting everybody. All the best. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Master Ji. Wishing you lots of love, good health, and happiness. May you enjoy your special day and have a great life ahead. I think when I met you last time, you were looking much younger and much fitter than ever. And I hope you have all the happiness in coming years. And let's meet soon. It's really been long. And I wish you all the best. Enjoy.
A very happy birthday to you, Bade Papa. Wishing you good health and happiness on your special day. और पार्टी हमारी कहाँ पे है, कहाँ है? चलो जब भी अब नेक्स्ट मिलते हैं हम बठिंडा या पंचकुला तो we'll have big celebrations. Stay happy.
Happy birthday, Kaka Nana. Have a great day and a great year ahead. All the best, Kaka Nana.
Wish you good health and happiness always.
Happy birthday, Kaka Mama ji, Nana ji.
Say Bala Dada.
Mama ji, wish you many, many wonderful years ahead. Have lots of fun.
Kaka Mama ji, you are the head of the family and extremely energetic, and we want you to remain energetic, healthy and happy in your 80s, 90s and hit a century.
Lots of love to you from all of us, Kaka Nana.
Cheers!
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy 80th birthday, Kaka Dada. Wish you good health, happiness and a long life. Enjoy your special day with family and have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Kaka Mama ji. Wish you all the best on your 80th birthday and have all the happiness and good health in the coming year ahead.
Many happy returns of the day, Kaka Mama ji. Happy 80th birthday. Wish you good health and long life. Enjoy your special day and have a wonderful year ahead.
Hello uncle, wish you a very happy 80th birthday. Enjoy your day and have a lots of fun.
Today is a day we'll remember. day that can't be better. Is a day for you. Today is a day anything goes. Is a day everyone knows. Is a day for you. So let's get things started. Get ready to party. We'll make all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Nana,
Nana.
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Happy birthday, uncle. Many, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Stay healthy and happy always.
Namaste. Happy birthday, Nana.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये हम सब की है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to your uncle, happy birthday to you. We miss you, uncle.
Miss your dad.
Come back soon. Take care.
Bye. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन. 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday.
बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Uncle Ji, happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मुझोक साहब.
Happy birthday, how are you?
मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. स्वामी से प्रार्थना है कि आपको ढेर सारे खुशियाँ, गुड हेल्थ और एक लंबी उम्र दे. हमारा हॉस्टल में ऐसा होता था कि कुछ भी स्पेशल ओकेशन हो, हम लोग स्वामी से एक मैसेज पूछते थे. तो हम लोग के पास ऐसे चिट्स रहते थे जिनमें स्वामी का ढेर सारे मैसेजेस लिखा रहता था. और कुछ भी स्पेशल ओकेशन या हमारा बर्थडे हो, हम स्वामी से प्रार्थना करके वो चिट उठाते थे कि स्वामी आपका मैसेज क्या है मेरे लिए. तो आपका 80th बर्थडे के लिए मैं स्वामी से प्रे करके आपके लिए एक चिट उठा रहा हूँ. और ये आपका ये बर्थडे पे स्वामी का आपके लिए क्या मैसेज है बताता हूँ. अच्छा, स्वामी सेज आई एम इन यू, अराउंड यू, अबव यू एंड बिसाइड यू. तो लगता है लाइक इससे अच्छा मैसेज लाइक आई वुड हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ. सो स्वामी इज ऑलवेज देयर विथ यू एंड I am really happy to have been associated with your family. Thank you so much. Love you and Saira.
Wishing you a very happy 80th birthday. Have a happy, healthy life, Bade Dada.
Wish you a very, very long and healthy life. Stay blessed always.
Happy birthday once again.
Hi Nana. Happy 80th birthday. May all your wishes get true.
Hello Papa, happy 80th birthday. Wishing you many more birthdays. I सीरियसली स्पीक पापा, मुझे नहीं पता आपने 4 बच्चे हैं, आपने मम्मी ने अच्छी तरह कैसे पाले, कभी डांटा नहीं हमको। गत्ते को तो रोज डांट मिलती है, गत्ते मुझे कहते हैं कि अभी आपके पापा ने तो कभी नहीं डांटा, आप मुझे क्यों डांटते हो। बट रियली, और एक और बात मैं बताऊँ, लाइक आई लव यू सो मच। स्कूल या कॉलेज में जब भी एक क्वेश्चन आता था ना, व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रेंथ, तो मेरे दिमाग में यही आता था, यस माय पेरेंट्स आर माय स्ट्रेंथ एंड यस यू आर। थैंक यू पापा फॉर एवरीथिंग यू हैव डन फॉर अस। कभी भी स्कोर नहीं किया, हमेशा अपने से, मुझे पता नहीं था, मेरी सारी जिद्दें पूरी की हैं। थैंक यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
You're the best Nana ever.
एंड यू द बेस्ट पापा एवर। एंड आई ऑलवेज विश कि हाँ भी मुझे जब भी अगर अगले जन्म में भी जन्म लूँ तो आप ही मेरे पापा बनूँ और मम्मी मम्मी बने बस मेरी। थैंक यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Thank you, Uncle. It's great to have such a fun father-in-law like you. I'm actually lucky to have a father-in-law which is wise, caring, and fun. I'm waiting for you to come back to meet us again. And we have our cruise trip which is pending. So
Yes.
please come back soon.
And casino.
Yes, casinos. Yes, casino for sure.
And my Disney Barbie World and Disney World.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy
Many
birthday,
happy
Papa,
returns of the
once
day.
again.
Hey!
And I make sure you will come with me.
Happy birthday, Nana. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Nana. I wish that God will give you a lot of blessings from your cute little monkey Abhinav.
Happy birthday, Papa. No matter how much I fight with you, you know still I love you. Happy birthday.
मैंने दारू पी ली है, अपनी जिंदगी जी ली है। अब है अक्टूबर, या होता सितंबर या फिर होता मई। डैडी आपके लिए हमारी एक ही आवाज आती, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy
birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy 80th birthday, Nanu. Wish we could be there आपके साथ to celebrate, but we'll do it next year, 81st. जैसे आप हमारे सारे बर्थडे पे आते थे, I'll do the magic trick.
Yeah, thank you for giving the present you've given me, Monica. And a very happy birthday, and hopefully you have many more.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Please start.
Happiest birthday to you, dear Papa. Wish we could all be there together to celebrate this special milestone. That was the plan. You always have had a special place in my heart. You've always been my pillar of support and strength, my bestest friend. I always know that I can bank on you, come what may. I would like to say I am what I am today. All my achievements are all due to yours and Mummy's undying love, undying support, and sacrifices always. And this you have done not only for your own children but for the entire family as well. There is so much more I want to say, but I think I'll sign off by saying I'm proud to be your daughter. Cheers to celebrating your 81st birthday together. Lots and lots and lots of love, Papa, and good wishes for a very healthy and long life. Hope we meet soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.